Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to share a sheet in the Google Sheets application on your phone. But before I do that, I want to say one thing. Please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay? Now let's jump into it. Well, as you can see, I'm in the Google Sheets application right now. I currently signing into my freshly created brand new profile, which I've created for these videos only. But let's say I have a sheet which I've created, and I want to share it with somebody, or I want to share it with a group. How can I do that? Well, what you're gonna do is you're going to click on these three lines next to your sheet. It's the right side of your sheet. Click on these three dots. Sorry, not lines. And here, the second option is, as you can see, share. Click on that. Here you will have to choose the person or the group which you want to share it with. But after you have it, I'll just choose a random one. Example, that's perfect. You can add the message here at the bottom, but if you are done, you just have to click on this blue little arrow in the top bottom right corner of your phone, and it will automatically be shared with. Okay guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next one.